Hi, today we're unboxing the Endolumix Fibre laser machine. This is the laser testing plate and the first cannula, one of the smaller ones. Then we have another cannula and the foot pedal and the UK power cable and the fibre pen attachment, the scissors to cut the fibre and another cannula, the dust wipes for the laser eye, the glazes for the client and the fibre cable, and the glasses for the operator. Next we have the main machine. To switch on, you need to turn the red button, the stop button, to unlock it. Select your language, select the program you want to do. We're going to select the skin rejuvenation, which is the skin tightening. Select your parameters. Undo the laser eye. This must be kept covered up to protect it. You can select the strength here. And as you can see, it's working with the red light coming out. You can adjust your strength again if it's too much or too little. You can increase or decrease. We can select another treatment. Select which laser you prefer. This one is for the engineers only. And then turn off. And then turn the stop button